Nagustuhan niyo ba yung newest single namin? Yun.
Yung ang tanong, yung newest single ba namin o si Terry yung nagustuhan nyo?
Ano?
Bastos
Terry,
to.
Terry. Terry.
Hoy, wag niyo akong materi-teri.
Kami ha.
Terry, you wanna come down here?
Nakakaselos na.
Let's give it up for Terry Zhang, guys.
Kamusta Manila?
Hey.
Yo, you guys were crazy down there.
Everyone, Terry Joe!
Yo, thank you so much for having me here.
Oh, thank you so much. Para po sa inyong kalaman, for those people who don't know, Terry is one of the producers of the song Moonlight. Give it up for Terry!
Yeah!
Thank you guys
Napakahusay.
so much.
Nasaan na yung notes mo sa kamao mo? Wala naman
You
sabihin.
wrote something on your hand, right? On your
Oh yeah.
You already,
Yesterday,
you already told your secret to them.
yeah, I was doing some cheat codes on my wrist. Yeah, I was writing Mahaya. I wrote it yesterday, but I think today I remember.
Oh, it's erased
Mahaya ako sa hold on. Mahaya ako nandito ako.
Masaya.
Masaya siya. Can you say, mahal ko kayo 18?
Mahaya ko kayo 18.
Hey!
Ayun.
So, can you say, ang OA nyo naman? Ang OA nyo naman.
Ang OA niyang amang.
Oh,
Ah.
ang OA nyo daw.
Whoa. Angrier.
Ang OA nyo naman! Like that.
Ang OA niya amang.
Ay!
Eh, pala kayo eh.
Si mga OA, react ng react.
What's that mean?
OA.
What's that mean?
OA. Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
so how?
How could you say you love me?
So how's your stay in the Philippines so far?
Yo, I gotta say, I really love this city. I really love Manila. You know, I tried to get Jollibee this morning, but I think it was too packed, so I couldn't get it. Yeah, but I think I met some of the 18s earlier today when I tried to get the lunch. But yeah, and I feel the energy. Thank you guys for being so supportive. Thank you, and thank you 18.
Oh, thank you daw.
So this is the $1 million question, Terry. What contestant number 1? What is your favorite Filipino dish?
Damn. I gotta say, okay. So I was trying. I didn't hear what you said, but
There's
I
some
was
coaching
trying
happening over here.
The CC.
Sisig!
I was trying CC at lunch, and that was fire. That was fire.
Terry loves sisig. Sino marunong magluto ng sisig dito?
Oh, yeah.
Talaga?
Grabe ah.
Pag kami gusto nyo magluto, tas pag kayo lulutuan nyo si Terry,
Alam na natin nga kung sino yung mga nag-taas
kami
ng
inuutusan nyo mag-vlog, mag-TikTok, mag-live, tapos siya lulutuan nyo.
kamay. Alam niyo ba mamaya, yung mga nagtaas ng kamay, i-review ko yung stream, i-review ko si YouTube mga to. Ito. Ano na to? Ban na to sa concert natin. Hindi na papapasukin.
Hindi, diyan paglabas nila may scanner dyan.
Oh, may scanner.
Makikita yung mukha na, ipapas nila.
Nagtaas ng kamay to. Hindi ko kapasok.
Alam
Grabe
nyo,
talaga kayo.
kanina pa tayo nag-uusap si Terry, nakaganon lang. But anyways, 18 wants to see you dancing Moonlight. Is it okay for you?
One more.
Yo, we gonna do this again tonight?
Yes! They want to see you. Do you want to see Terry dancing Moonlight? Everybody shout, Terry! 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 Terry!
Alright, let's do it!
Let's go! Come on, 18! Shout, Terry! Let's go! Once again, let's give it up for Terry Joe! Thank you so
Thank you so
much!
much, Terry Joe.
That was fire.
Thank you so much, Terry.
Thank you.
Gusto niyo ba makita siya mag-perform? Huwag na natin patagalin pa.
Hindi pa ako tapos sa inyo. Wala na siya, ngayon mag-uusap tayo.
Oo nga.
Tama na yan.
Hindi na nakakatuwa yung mga ginagawa niyo at kinig...
Hindi!
Ano sinawa niyo?
Hindi! Sino yung marunong magluto ng sisig?
Ayun, napakadami talaga.
Marunong kayo magluto ng sisig? Bahala kayo sa buhay niyo.
Lagot kayo.
Oh, dahil pagluluto nyo ng sisig, pakinggan nyo siya. Please welcome, Terry Joe!